Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to fix some Scott Pete hot beef Polish. They changed their name. It used to be Scott Peterson. Now Scott Pete. Fixing this and some deli style seasoned potato wedges in my small COSORI 3.7 quart air fryer. So, starting out to film it. I said maybe y'all want to see me do this. Right now I'm slicing up the Polish. I already got 2 in there. Just slicing them up like this. Slicing up one more for me and Walter. Don't slice all the way through. Okay. I'm going to put the potatoes in here with the Polish. This is a great value brand, so it's from Walmart. This is how I got the Polish in here. Put the potatoes in the middle. I don't want that many potatoes. Two or three and I'm good. I'd rather have meat. They're already seasoned. I'm going to spritz them with some olive oil. I'm using my Evo oil sprayer. I'm not spritzing the meat, just the fries. We'll see. It's sitting on a countertop rolling tray. I'll put this link in the description box. Okay. Turn it on. I'm going to leave it set just like this. Okay. 350 degrees for 15 minutes. And I will be back. Okay, y'all. I'm thinking it's done. It's been cooking for 10 minutes. So, there's 5 minutes left on there. That's how they look. That's done. Okay. Get this one. But let me get some of these fries out first. Just want a few. That's a handful. Ooh. Get a hot dog. I mean a Polish. Get that out of my way. Let's see what I'm doing.
You can leave mine in there.
I am. I'm going to turn it off though. I'm done. Okay, y'all. stirring in my food. Okay, here's this is dinner. Okay, I got the mustard and some hot spicy relish on mine. And my french fries are down in there. Let me show y'all this kind of relish I use. Famous Dave's spicy pickle relish. So it's sweet and spicy. I'm going to put some on yours. I'm going to put it on yours.
You didn't put that
I am.
On. Don't put that on.
Yeah, you need this. Okay. Let me take a thumbnail. That's the way my food looks. I guess I could get me a salad. I do have salad here. So that'd be my thumbnail. Okay. The hot Polish, these are beef Polish, and my frozen potato wedges. They cook for 10 minutes at 350, and they're done. Okay, so I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bye. Okay, going for real now.